So you saw from the thumbnail what my video is about this week. Hi and welcome to my channel. I am Dana Finet, and in my channel I'd like to show you tips, tricks, hacks, and products to help you live your life a little bit simpler. And today's video is about deep cleaning your mattress. So if you have never done that before and you have no idea what I'm talking about, then just keep watching. Remove everything from off of your bed. Then you're going to give it a really good vac. Make sure to hit all the areas of your bed and make sure to get into the nooks and crannies. All right, so now that we have vacuumed the mattress and removed all of, I'll call it surface debris, now that we've gotten all of that off, the next thing that you're going to want to do is grab your baking soda. That's right, I said baking soda. Now, why baking soda? Baking soda is actually great because it helps to deodorize. And not only that, baking soda actually helps to penetrate and remove a lot of the dead skin cells and the odors and some of that perspiration that I was talking to you about at the beginning of the video. So baking soda is great. Now, in my mattress, I don't have any stains or anything like that, but if you have some stains on your mattress, here's a quick tip that I would suggest. Grab some hydrogen peroxide and some dish soap, and you want to mix that in 2 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part dish soap, and mix it up really well. Then take an old toothbrush, and then you just want to gently apply that and brush it in lightly to the stain. But don't saturate the mattress. Mattresses really don't like a lot of moisture, which is why we're cleaning it in the first place, to get some of that out. So don't saturate the stain. I know it seems counterproductive. You almost want to soak it to get the stain out, but that's not what you want to do. Apply as little liquid as possible to the stain, and then take a towel or something highly absorbent and really try to blot out as much of the liquid as you can. Go back over and blot it out again with the towel and let it air dry as best as possible. So if you have the ability to open the windows or maybe turn a fan on, you want to make sure that you're getting as much air on that mattress as possible and let it get completely dry before you make your bed again. Start by adding baking soda directly from a sifter. You can add essential oils if you like to freshen the mattress. Next, you want to make sure that you vacuum all of the baking soda up and be completely thorough, going over it a few times if needed. All right, so after you've vacuumed everything up really well, your mattress is clean and deodorized. Now, I will say this, ideally, you don't want to use your home vacuum like you just saw me doing. Do as I say, not as I do. Ideally, you want to use a shop vac. And the reason for that is, most commercial home vacuums are not really meant to, vacuum up, fine particles like baking soda. But unfortunately, my shop vac wasn't working as I was shooting this video, so I had to resort to my vacuum just to get it up so you guys could actually see. But if you have a shop vac, I would highly suggest using a shop vac over your home vacuum. Now, if you found this video helpful and you like the tip about cleaning your mattress, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. That way you boost my videos up into the YouTube algorithm and you can see more of my videos. And be sure to subscribe. That way you never miss when I upload new videos like this each and every week.